Hi everyone, here's Potato Rice. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm teaching you how to prepare this beautiful vegetables called Swiss Chard. They come with different colors like white, red and yellow. We are planting a whole bed of these vegetables in our communal garden. However, in the beginning, I did not know how to prepare them. In Guangzhou, where I come from, there's no such vegetables. Luckily, after some experiments, I found it to share the similar taste with spinach and can be prepared in the same way. That's how I come up with this dish called Chinese peanut butter Swiss chard salad. It is very tasty and easy to make. Hope you like it. Now let's get started.
After washing the Swiss chard and drying them, separate the stem from the leaves. Cut the stem into smaller pieces like this. The essence of this dish lies in its sauce. To prepare the sauce, first scoop a large spoon of peanut butter. Add some sesame oil to dissolve the peanut butter into smooth liquid. It might take some effort to do this, but it worth the time because you want your sauce to be smooth. The end result shall be like this. Add some light soy sauce, salt, sugar, some water, and then gently mix them together. At last, grind a clove of garlic for an extra layer of taste. Boil some water enough to cover the vegetables. Add some salt into the water for the base taste and oil for the color keeping. Cook the stem in the water for around 4 minutes. Take them out and then boil the leaves for around 4 minutes as well. You can choose to cook them all at once, but I like to separate them so that I can control the cooking time and their texture. When the time is up, take out the leaves and dump them immediately into cold water to stop the cooking process. This prevents the leaves to become too soft. Since we are preparing a cold salad, you might as well put the stems into the cold water, just to make them cool. After the vegetables are cooled down, squeeze the water out from the vegetables so that they will have the room later to soak up the sauce. Pour the sauce that we prepared for the vegetables. Add some roasted sesame in the end. Let's taste it. The Swiss chard is tender and juicy.
It's really good. You should try that. Let me know in the comments.